Hi, I'm John from the DJI Enterprise team, and we're introducing a new era in various night operations with the Zenmuse H30 series. Currently, we are in the province of Bataan in a maritime salvage operations, wherein a ship just sunk off the coast of this province. And today, we are working with the Harbor Star Shipping Services, who is the contractor tasked to salvage the ship, and the Philippine Coast Guard. When the night falls and visibility drops to zero, the DJI H30 series becomes our eyes in the dark. Zenmuse H30 series is equipped with thermal camera that detects heat signatures, which is crucial especially in rescuing survivors and checking our divers down under. In these operations, the thermal camera can spot potential hazards like sharks or other marine animals, ensuring the safety of the crew operating in the area. With the H30T near-infrared light or NIR, night operations are no longer a challenge. Before, the crew shines a searchlight in a subject, but due to the limited range of the light, it can only reach a small distance. But with the Zenmuse H30 series NIR auxiliary light, it illuminates the area of interest with ease. This was mostly used when we are zooming in at a subject in low light conditions. With its advanced zoom and wide-angle cameras, compared to its predecessor, you can now switch to the night scene mode. It offers an enhanced live view and recording quality. This enables the recovery mission with ease. With its full-color night vision, the crew from Harbor Star and Coast Guard was impressed, since it gave them the ability to properly assess the situation with ease. Moreover, its laser rangefinder helps the crew detect how far away are some debris and potential casualties. To top it all off, the improved zooming capability has now been increased to 400 times, capturing details even from afar. In this case, they are using the zoom capabilities to check how far the tugboat is, which has a distance of approximately 500 meters away. With all of this said, the Zenmuse H30 series is a game changer, not only in maritime rescue and salvage operations, but also to law enforcement, search and rescue, energy inspection, and much more. Zenmuse H30 series, breaking boundaries day and night.